advised.
Welcome everybody, V-Dub here. It's Halloween time, yay! That's my favorite time of the year. Look who's behind me. Me and my dad built this Halloween prop last Halloween. His name is George Bush because we put him in a bush. Would you like to see how we made him? This is how we did it. Yay! First thing what Daddy-O made is a sketch of what we were going to build. What we used to make this come alive is a rotisserie motor. It was pretty cheap, only $19 online. So do you see this piece of metal right here? That's attached to the rotisserie motor, attached to a piece of wood as well. And then this other piece of wood with holes in it is attached to the disc that's attached to the pipe. And that's what makes this whole thing turn back and forth. Would you like to see a demonstration? Do you hear that creaking? That makes it sound scary. Doesn't it? It's squeaky like a bunch of old bones. So we have a big stick of PVC pipe, and it's for the arms, and we have some pool noodles so it looks fatter. So it looks like it really has muscles. We don't want just a plain old skeleton. We want a skeleton with lights in it. So we found a very easy way to add some LEDs. A LED is a small type of light. This is what we use for our LED lights. We got it at the dollar store for only $1.
That's a low price!
Pulled out the battery pack, then carefully poked out the eyes. And that gave us our LED lights. They were already wired and ready to go. We usually like to wire up our own LEDs, but something like this from the dollar store is already ready to go. Once we removed the LEDs from the skull, we glued them onto our styrofoam head. We got a foam head at the dollar store, then mounted it onto a piece of PVC pipe. We got these creepy hands on the creepy mask for only $1 at the dollar store. Cha-ching! And that's all you need to build your own animatronic. We have another one called a monster in the box, but that's for a different video. We're making a video about George Bush instead. This thing looks extra creepy when it's in our yard. Let's set it up! Yay! All that was left to do is stick George Bush in the bush. Make sure to like this video and subscribe and share it with your friends. This is VDub signing out.